Hey kids, it's Luca here, Miss Janelle and Otis's assistant, and I am here for more home crafts at your house outside at the DeSoto Public Library. And today, well, like last time, today's craft is kind of messy, so we're outside again. And I think y'all are going to really like today's craft, especially if you feel artistic. All right, let's get started. Let's take a look at the materials. Okay, so today's craft is pretty easy. All you really need is a paintbrush, water, half a cup of water, and a third of a cup of cornstarch, cornstarch, yeah, third, and some food coloring, preferably liquid and not the gel kind. And let's get started. So first, normally what we do is like open up this box, right? And pour the cornstarch in here like that. But like I said, we already measured it out. And the water, we just filled it halfway with water. And now what we're gonna do is pour the water with the cornstarch. And we're gonna mix it with a popsicle stick that I have hidden for a reason. Alright kids, so now as you can see, we got our little sidewalk chalk paint mixture done. So I'm just gonna dip the brush, dip it in there, spin it, do a little flip, and we're gonna paint on the sidewalk. So let's do D. Got me a little bit more. Put that D. P. DPL, DeSoto Public Library. Your favorite place to come when you're not at home. And yeah, that's your sidewalk chalk. As you can see, it's drying and it's leaving a little chalk outline of the letters. And yeah, you can go ahead and do this at your house with whatever color. You can do red, blue, green, or you can mix colors. You can draw like fish or not fish. And yeah, you can do whatever you want with it. So all to your imagination. All right, well, thanks for joining us, and we'll be back again next week with more arts and craftsy fun.
Mm-hmm.